In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Outlook email with folders and auto rules. If your inbox is starting to feel cluttered, using folders and rules in Outlook is one of the easiest ways to stay organized without having to sort every message manually. Once a rule is set up, Outlook can automatically move similar emails into the folder you choose, which saves time and helps you keep important messages easy to find. To get started, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're in the main email view. From there, click on Mail so you can access your inbox and all of your incoming messages. This is where you'll create a rule based on an email you already have. Next, locate a specific email that you want to Outlook to use as the example for the rule. Choose a message from a sender or type of email that you receive regularly and would like to organize automatically in the future. This could be something like newsletters, project updates, order confirmations, or internal notifications. Picking the right example matters because Outlook will use details from that message to help build the rule. Once you've found the email, right-click on it to open the shortcut menu. In that menu, look for Rules and then click Create Rule. This opens the rule creation window where Outlook gives you simple options based on the email you selected. The purpose here is to tell Outlook what kinds of incoming messages should be grouped together and what should happen to them. Now, select a folder where you want those matching emails to go. If you already have a folder created, choose it from the list. This step is what connects the rule to your organization system, so take a moment to pick the folder that makes the most sense for the emails you're sorting. Keeping folders clearly named can make your mailbox much easier to manage over time. After that, follow the prompts on your screen to complete the setup. Outlook may ask you to confirm the conditions for the rule and whether you want it to apply only to future emails or also to messages that are already in your inbox. Read each prompt carefully so the rule works exactly the way you want. Once you finish, Outlook will begin helping you organize your email automatically. This is a simple but powerful way to reduce inbox clutter and keep related messages in one place. If you want, you can repeat the same process for other types of emails and gradually build a cleaner, more efficient inbox.